Hello everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can disable the Windows automatic updates on our Windows 11 devices permanently. Okay, so let's get started. So sometimes when our Windows update is taking so much time for it to finish, or when we're working with our device and it just suddenly popped up in our screen, so it's really frustrating when that happens. So to disable our automatic updates in our Windows, let's just follow these few simple steps that I'm going to show you, and make sure that you finish watching the video till the end. Okay, so let's get started. So we will open the run window, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon, or just by pressing Windows R key altogether, and you can have your run window open. So in here, all we need to do is just type for services.msc, and once done typing, please click on OK or enter. And in here, all we need to do is just look for the Windows Update options, and we can do that by going to the W section. So to go to the W section, please select one service or one option here, and then on your keyboard, please press W, and you will be brought to the W section. So in here, we need to find for Windows Update, this one. And once found, please make a right click on it, and then go to Properties, and then just make sure that for the startup type, you have chosen disabled option. So to choose for the option, please click this drop down button here, and then click on this disabled option. And once chosen, please click on apply, and then click on OK, and you're good to go. So just close this window here. And if you want to disable it permanently, you can follow also this second way that I'm going to show you. Okay, so again, let's open the run window. So now let's press on Windows R key all together. Now this run window is up on our screen. All we need to do here is type for reg edit, and then once done, please click on yes, and then just click on yes again. And in here, let me just minimize this one. So here we need to we need to select H key local machine. Once selected, please click on this arrow here to expand, and we need to go to software, and then look for policies. So policies option, this one, and let's look for Microsoft. Okay, so once we're in here, we have to look for Windows options, this one, and once found, please make a right click on it, and then click on new, and then click on key. And here we need to type Windows Update, and then click on enter. Okay, so after doing that, please make a right click on it, and then click on key again. Please make a right click on it in the inside tab, and then click on new, and then click on key. And in here, we need to type AU, and click on enter. And the inside tab, please select AU, and then in the inside tab, please make a right click, and then click on new, and please choose the word 32-bit value. Now once done, please type no. It's no. Make sure that you type with no space, no auto update, and no space, and then click on enter, and then make a right click on it again, and then click on modify. And for the value data, please enter 1, or please put 1 there, and then click on OK to disable the automatic updates in our Windows. Okay, so in this manner, you have successfully disabled automatic Windows permanently. And I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.